And here we go. We go again. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, welcome to this video. So this video again points in the direction of that obedient space that shows no signs of abating. So the agitation there. I'm not sure what the adjective is to describe what is going on within the obedient space, but let's go with agitation, but just for the convenience of the feet. So, I'm not quite sure that the agitations within that space is showing any signs of abating. But I'll kick this video off with the Yoruba adage that best captures the essence of what is going on within that obedient space. So I'll kick the video off with the Yoruba adage, but as an incentive for you to watch the video all the way to the end, I shall delay the meaning of the Yoruba adage till the end of the video. So the Yoruba adage, ẹni tí ó gbé adìyẹ òtòṣì ó gbé ti aláròká. So that's the Yoruba adage. So the Yoruba speakers will already understand what that means, but for the non-Yoruba speakers, as an incentive for you to watch the video all the way through, I'll give you the meaning of the adage at the end of the video. So the adage again, ẹni tó gbé adìyẹ òtòṣì ó gbé ti aláròká. So ẹni tó gbé adìyẹ òtòṣì ó gbé ti aláròká. So now why am I saying all this? So let me take you quickly to this video clip, and then I'll pick it up at the other end of it. So this video clip I'm about to play you now, it sheds more light as to exactly what is going on here. So let me play you this video clip.
The UK has a vibrant and engaged Nigerian diaspora. I know I count myself as one of them. Now, in the Igbo, northeast England, in my constituency, have expressed concerns at serious failures of technology, security and communications in last month's presidential elections, as has the European Union. Given that the government have provided financial support to Nigerian civil society on election integrity and technical advice to the Nigerian Independent National Electoral Commission, what does the Minister think went wrong?
Well, Mr. Speaker, she's entirely right that we provided £5 million of taxpayers' money to civil society to boost citizen education and voter engagement, and the British High Commission deployed observers to polling stations across 7 states. We commend all those involved for their commitment to democracy and also, importantly, in respect of her question, to resolving disputes through the courts and through peaceful means.
There it is. So there it is. So that's a British MP, a British, the lady, they're both MPs, by the way. So that's the British Parliament, and everybody sitting there, they're all MPs. But the lady that brought the question forward, she's a British MP of Nigerian extraction. So a British MP of Nigerian extraction, but that is not the totality of her description. She's a British MP of Nigerian Igbo extraction. So now, what you are now seeing now, playing out now, the evolution of that obedient hypobian space now has now gone to the international space, where a British MP that has really no business outside of the concerns of her constituency. So her constituency will be, yes, our constituency, the constituency is the same thing everywhere anyway, but her constituency will be the people within her locality that voted for her. And her primary function then, of course, is to take to the central government issues that are germane to that locality. But she's now taking what is essentially what is more, I'm trying to see how to word it. She's taking what is more her personal concern to the British Parliament and describing it as a constituency concern. I'm sure she has a good helping of Igbo people within her constituency that live within where she has dominion, but I'm not quite sure that that is sufficient enough for her to take what is essentially her tribal leanings into the British Parliament. So this is now the evolution of the Peter Obi narrative, the obedient space. So they're now taking it into pockets of governance internationally to try and sway international government, because I'm pretty sure what we just saw at the British Parliament will be repeating at the United States Senate, where they will have one or two smatterings of southeastern senators. I'm sure they will be using whatever political influence they have in the United States to try and sway matters. But certainly now we have seen that they are using whatever political influence that they do have within the British space to try and sway matters. So let's watch it again. And then at the other end, I'll tell you the meaning of that Yoruba adage.
The UK has a vibrant and engaged Nigerian diaspora. I know I count myself as one of them. Now, in the Igbo, northeast England, in my constituency, have expressed concerns at serious failures of technology, security and communications in last month's presidential elections, as has the European Union. Given that the government have provided financial support to Nigerian civil society on election integrity and technical advice to the Nigerian Independent National Electoral Commission, what does the Minister think went wrong?
Well, Mr. Speaker, she's entirely right that we provided £5 million of taxpayers' money to civil society to boost citizen education and voter engagement, and the British High Commission deployed observers to polling stations across 7 states. We commend all those involved for their commitment to democracy and also, importantly, in respect of her question, to resolving disputes through the courts and through peaceful means.
The UK has a vibrant...
No, sorry. So what you saw there is politics at its finest. So not so much the southeastern lady putting the question to Parliament, but to the response of that minister that has oversight over whichever space she's requesting that action be taken. So that minister, what he said to her was that, yes, we deployed people to Nigeria to observe the elections. We commend the efforts of everybody involved. Yes, we made financial contributions towards that election, and anybody that is aggrieved has the facilitation of the judiciary, of the legal space. So that was the response, which is, of course, a typically classic British response to that sort of a situation. A lot of word, but no substance. So it's essentially, it's their business, nothing to do with us. And why are you even bringing it here anyway? So I just wanted to bring that juxtaposition then, a self-interest presentation by what purports to be a British MP that is meant to be acting on behalf of our constituency, but acting instead on behalf of tribe. But then a staid and marinated member of parliament able to bat her back with ease. So that was what transpired there. I just wanted to bring you that little soupçon to just give you now a feel of how this obedient space is showing no signs of abating. So now back to it. Entogbe adiye otoshi, ogbeti alaroka. So what does that mean? Essentially, it means anybody that steals from the poor, they can expect then that whatever how do I even you see, the problem is the Yoruba language, it doesn't really translate into English because it's so nuanced, as I often say. But what that adage means essentially is that if you steal something from somebody that is impoverished, then you can expect that your actions will be broadcast all over the town. So that's the literal translation, but the nuance, of course, is richer than that. So entogbe adiye otoshi, ogbeti alaroka. And to the Yoruba speakers, if you have a deeper interpretation of that adage, please let me know in the comment section. But a literal translation is what I've just given. Also, if you take from the deprived, then you can expect that action will be broadcast pretty much citywide. So that is it. I just wanted to bring you that clip of the Igbo extraction British member of parliament taking matters of obedience to the British House of Commons. So there it is. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. So I'll leave it here. Carry conversation with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.